Welcome to 7/9 Clara Street in Gosnells. This single car garage. Main living space is that way. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. Front master room here. Small walk-in robe and access to the ensuite bathroom here. Hallway toilet. Bedroom number 2. Nice little view to the outside there. Built-in robe. Bedroom number 3. Also a built-in robe. Main living space, kitchen as well. Gas cooking, split cycle aircon as well. And then this little rear courtyard is quite cosy. Gas hot water system and a good sized laundry as well with the linen cupboard too. Decent amount of space here. That's 7/9 Clara.